Hi, I'm here today with Tom and Pip from Reality Check Productions. We're really pleased to be working with them to help them find some developers. Hi guys, could you possibly give me a little introduction to yourselves?
Yeah, sure.
Hi.
So Pip, Tom, that's the way around. We usually sit on right and left like this in pretty much all calls we have. So we run Reality Check Productions, and before moving into the immersive tech space, we worked in the theatre for about 10 years, doing kind of work across the kind of the theatre industry. And we set up Reality Check Productions about 2.5, 3 years ago to make that transition from kind of creating theatre to using immersive technology to enhance theatre experiences and work with theatre creators to kind of make virtual reality experiences, augmented reality experiences, really kind of anything that's possible with emerging and new technologies. So we've been doing that for the last 2 years. Yeah. Last summer, we worked with a really great contemporary dance company. We've had some really cool opportunities to work with loads of really exciting people. Mm-hmm. So yeah, that's a little bit about what we've been doing. And then I think we're going to talk about...
Yeah, tell us a bit more about your current project.
The Round, which is the platform we're currently building, it's an end-to-end platform for the creation and distribution of live performance in mobile augmented reality. So it sort of comprises of a desktop software for importing 3D assets, assembling scenes, and queuing actions for live operation of an entire production, which is controlled from a traditional theatrical lighting desk. That's the sort of the user interface. Performers are captured with either motion or volumetric capture and synced with the production to be streamed in real time live to our audience facing mobile app. So how did we come up with the idea? So I guess, like Tom said, we've been working with immersive theatre, interactive theatre companies, contemporary dance companies, creating standalone experiences for a couple of years. Our goal was always to try to sort of streamline or build a workflow or some sort of a platform whereby we could like enable companies to get more involved with that digital creation themselves and build immersive tech into the sort of the world of theatre. And that's where the Round came from, really. It was certainly spurred on by the outbreak of COVID. Sure. There was like that sort of sudden urgency for like a need for new methods of production and distribution. And yeah, I suppose we saw an opportunity and really went for it. We were very fortunate to get some government funding to build the prototype, and have now received some further funding to take it to develop it, to launch.
Yeah, awesome, brilliant. So we're obviously currently working with you to find the initial couple of developers for the team, and you're looking for a Unreal developer and a mobile AR developer. These people I know not only need to be technically skilled, but they very much need to be potential leaders technically within the team at a later stage, and also very much be client facing as well and happy dealing with clients. So on that side, I know as a startup, you're sort of very passionate about building the correct company culture. Can you sort of elaborate a little bit more on that for us?
Yeah, absolutely. So I think in terms of the company culture, it's a creative company, and I know lots of companies say, creative companies, but we come from theatre, we come from that world. So a lot of the attitudes and ethoses of the world of theatre, we really want to bring into our company moving forward. So there's lots of really incredible ways theatre companies work together as a team and deliver incredible results using very small budgets in a very short amount of time. And we really want to create that culture within our company. We want to be able to reward creativity and individuals' actual ambitions and have the sense that people working with us can come to us with ideas, come to us with the next steps. We will listen, we'll take it on, and we'll action it, and we'll move forward. I think neither of us remotely think we know all the routes that we need to take or all the things we need to do. And I think we're very open and upfront and honest about that. And we want people who we work with to have that sense of honesty and that sense of ambition to come forward with us and feel that they are working with us to create what we believe could be and will be a really exciting product, but that has real benefit to people, has real kind of significant implications. And we want people to come on that journey with us and have that kind of sense, that sense of, let's make this the best thing it can possibly be. And going back to that theatre idea, is that in the theatre, the best theatre companies have that like real can-do attitude. And I know lots of companies talk about that can-do attitude, but in the theatre, it's so powerful because there's so much pressure on such a short amount of time that companies need to, and individuals need to have that, yes, let's go. Yes, find a solution for solutions, not problems. And I think that's what we really want to be central to the kind of company we are and the kind of people we work with. And then just the other kind of thing, we're very friendly people. We're very conscientious people who do try to do the right thing and make the right decisions. And we want people who have that sense as well and feel that they can listen to each other, change their minds based on new information, and always be open to new ideas and moving forward.
Awesome. Brilliant. Perfect. Well, look, thank you so much for your time today to speak to us. If you are watching this video and you're interested in finding out a little bit more and having a further conversation, please do reach out to one of the members here at Skillsearch.